So, how you want to do it? Take it something like that. There? Oh, man. May 2nd, man. Play My Box Comedy Show. I'm your host. Bring all your ugly friends. Ugly people make good friends.
Yeah, let them know where we at with it.
Right now, where we at? Where we at right now? We on a dock. I'm always on a dock, by the way. That's why I got my comedy show on South Beach. We on a dock right now. So what we're about to do is jump on this little nice luxury yacht with a nice pole, nice lights, everything. Finishing this. So you gonna see, I'm about to take y'all with me. But May 2nd, Playing My Box Comedy Show. I am your host. Alright, so if you got a yacht, if you got any kind of floating device, and you're riding through South Beach, dock right there on Collins. And dock right there on Collins. I had to grab the mic. You feel me? Just right there on Collins. Just pull up. Pull up. Now I'm gonna let you fall again. You feel me? Just pull up. Pull up. Put your chin up. Put your chin up. Yeah, thank you. Put your chin up and then come to Play My Box Comedy Show, alright? If you got any floating device, if you got a yacht, fancy, whatever you got, you can pull up in it. Whether it's maybe we got valet, you can park your yacht right outside just for the show. I know some Spanish people that probably look out for you. For the Lolo, it's your boy Big A. We about to get on this yacht. I'm about to shoot a video too while I'm at it. You know, I'm a Haitian man. I got multiple hustles. So I'm about to drop this little rap video called McFlurry. You gotta mix it up. You gotta mix it up. McFlurry. McFlurry. And my partner, man, shout out to Pink Ocean Yachts. You know what I'm saying? Me and him go way back like his hairline. This shit's crazy. You know what I mean? So it's like, yeah, so we decided to partner together. And we're bringing you Play My Box Comedy Show. Yes, sir. That's good enough?
Slide through.
Alright, say less. Hey man, it's your boy Big A, man. Big prep happening right now, May 2nd. Comedy show. I'm bringing it to you. It ain't just no ordinary comedy show. I'm bringing you magic on South Beach. So if you got one of them little babies that like to be on South Beach, on Collins, or if you're just flying into Miami, and you're just like, what should I do on a Friday? Playing My Box Comedy Show. I'm your host, bringing the best comedians all across the world to South Beach. Call it improv on Collins. Matter of fact, comedy on Collins. It's your boy Big A. That's how we doing it, man. I got 2 watches on so I can make sure I'm on time. I check it twice. Let's get it. Let's get it. Morning dog, I'm smoking on my J. That's my little boo thing. She just straight up out of date. Booty like a donut. She just know I like it plain. And she know I go nuts like the candy payday. I'm a Haitian poppy. I got burning on my plate. I just fucking do things. Have a party in a cave. VVS stupid, but my Tesla fucking smart. I see a lady choosing. I'm all in her shopping cart. I'm a different hustler. I be balling in my sleep. Baby, I ain't wake up. I ain't waking up for weeks. I'ma fly to London just to try their damn desserts. Take a flight to Fiji. All I had was 2 t-shirts. Every time I call out, have to drop cash on that Roman. Ladies really love me. They be staring at their family. You gon' see the pillow. That boy riding in the Raleigh. I'm starting, I'm not apologizing. I'm starting, I'm not apologizing. I'm starting, I ain't apologizing. I'm starting, I'm not apologizing. I'm starting, I'm not apologizing. No apology. I'ma keep it G. No apology. Wanna see the G. No apology. Enjoying this tiny celebration we're having right now, man. It's like Pink Ocean Yachts took it to another level, man. I remember when you had one yacht. It's 2 yachts, 3 yachts, now 38.
That was 39, brother.
39. God, you just hang out at the boatyard? Jesus. Man, you know, I love hustles, man.
Take a shot with me.
Yeah, I'll take a shot, man. Yeah. All right, to the Pink Ocean Yachts. Not a blue yacht, not a red yacht, not a yellow yacht. Pink Ocean.
My guy.
Success. All right. Kumtata. Whatever.
Drink that shit. I'm sorry, I ain't drinking that.
Alright, that can be a little better. Hold on.
That was good.
Action.
It's crazy. You ever had diarrhea in Colombia? I couldn't be a freak that night. This is crazy, man. I just had bowel movements after on-demand bowel movements. It's just crazy. But yeah, your business has been successful, man.
What the fuck was that?
I'm just wanting to share a moment about me having diarrhea in Colombia. Because then I try to get freaky and stuff, and then I just have to hit the shower.
Bro, what the fuck is he talking about?
Oh, I'm sorry. Just sorry. It's what the drink do to me.
Man.
That was a great toast to Pink Ocean Yachts. But like, it's crazy. You started off with 1 yacht, and then 2 yachts.
Facts.
Yacht 38.
Facts. I got one right there. I got one right here.
Look out, you got one behind you too.
I ain't
That one behind me.
This
This whole fucking dock is yours. It's crazy, man. Pink Ocean Yachts. Pink Ocean Yachts.
Trying to take over, brother.
Not Blue Ocean, not Pink Ocean. Well, yeah, Pink Ocean. Yeah.
Pink Ocean, baby.
Yeah, let's get it. And then, should we do the over there one more time?
Yeah, let's do it again. Let's do the whole thing over again.
Okay. What was the whole thing? Where I started off?
You started talking about Columbia diarrhea. You think
What the fuck?
It was just to warm us up.
I know,
It's
I know.
the icebreaker. I meant you and I get fucking. He said, "What are you talking about?" He tried to listen at
talking
first.
about?
You gotta bring up something. Bring up something. Get us loose. When you say action, just say something random and gets us loose, and then we'll get back to the subject. Just looks long.
I'm just going with the flow.
Let's start off with like, Pink Ocean Yachts. And like, how many?
Yeah.
I remember when you had, you know.
This is how I started at the beginning. Go
Yeah.
ahead, because I get off on the tangent.
All right. And action.
Pink Ocean Yachts.
What's going on, man?
Shout out to you guys.
Yes, sir.
Like, just everyone get a yacht. Anyone that call you guys, just I get a yacht, he get a yacht, she get a yacht.
All right, let's do it over.
Pink Ocean Yachts. Just, you guys, I remember when you started off with 1 yacht,
Facts.
2 yachts, now you're on 38.
39, brother.
My apologies.
You forgot that one right there.
Yeah,
Hey,
well,
cameraman, get that yacht right there, man.
got-
How you missed that one, bro?
you got a yacht everywhere. Alright, you got a yacht behind you, in front of you. Just, you must just, that one just got wheeled in?
No. About a couple days ago.
Man, damn, this is, everyone get a yacht. She get a yacht, he get a yacht. They just call in the Pink Ocean.
Yeah.
And you get a yacht. We're not dealing with any yachts that's blue, orange, yellow.
Gotta be pink.
It's Pink Ocean Yachts.
Like pussy, baby.
Oh man. Some pussy ain't pink.
Yeah. I like the pink.
Yeah, okay, yeah. Pink Ocean Yachts, baby. If you're not booking a yacht with Pink Ocean Yachts, what are you doing?
Pink Ocean Yachts.
Ocean Yachts.
What's up, man?
I remember when you started off with 1 yacht.
Fuck that guy. Restart that shit. Fuck 5 minutes. Fuck him. He don't fucking start. Fuck that
Pink
nigga.
Ocean Yachts.
Yes, sir.
It's to you, man.
Thank you, brother.
I remember when you started off with 1 yacht, 2 yacht, 3 yacht. Now you're on 38.
39, brother.
30. My apologies.
Right there.
Oh, that one. Oh, they're everywhere.
Yeah.
This one behind me, behind you.
Yes.
Wow. Anybody get a yacht? They just call you guys. She get a yacht. He get a yacht.
This book will Pink Ocean
Yada 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 yada. That's crazy, huh? Right, not a blue yacht, not an orange yacht, and not a yellow yacht.
I gotta be a pink man.
It gotta be Pink Ocean Yachts.
Pink pussy.
Cheers to you, bro. Pink. Some
Pussy.
pussies. Some pussies, man.
ones I like.
They're hydrated and they're drinking sparkling water and celery and yeah, those Capri Sun hot Cheetos pussy days are over. All right, it's okay. We have our extra guy. Yeah, toast, toast, toast to Pink Ocean Yachts. All right, Yacht 39.
Thank you, brother.
Yes, yes. All right.
That was good.
That's good. You can even catch this right here. Getting off? We're back to the AC, man. Look. You still recording? We got May 2nd. May 2nd, we got a comedy show. Big hustle, big movement, big motion outside. We got everybody that's flying into South Beach, Miami, coming to play my box comedy show. May 2nd. It's your boy. I'm the host. You know? How would you do? I'm the host of the most. You already know I'm coming dynamically. Who know how to spell dynamically? You feel me? Ironically, I'm dynamic. And I'm your host. May 2nd, man. Teamed up with Pink Ocean Yachts, man. May 2nd. That's a Friday. Get your tickets on Eventbrite and comedyoncollins.com and improvoncollins.com. All of that is us.